Okay, so we're at the vets, and here's a through-the-wall unit. It's actually in cooling mode. It's a heat pump. You can see the reversing valve. I don't know what part it cools. I don't have access to it, but it's a heat pump. It's a P-TAC unit through the wall. And over here, I can't get to it, I don't think, and I don't want to, but there's the Temp Star package unit in cooling mode. It's gas and gas meter. And then there's a Frigidaire through the wall window unit. And over here is another Frigidaire through the wall unit. Low and nice, and it's in cooling mode. I don't know if it's a heat pump. It's got a LG compressor, and I think it's a straight cool unit. I think that's all. Yeah, I think that's all. So yeah, I can't get to the unit, sadly. I'd love to, but it's a Temp Star. I see the label. So, and this memory card's about to run out. I'll have to switch to my 8 gig soon. I'm using the 2 gig. Yep. Temp Star. You can barely see it there. It's actually in cooling mode. It's got 2 thermostats, strangely. I don't know if there's a second unit or what. Yeah. I don't know what size it is, but it's fairly big, fairly decent. But anyways, yeah, over now.